All right, so you're gonna go ahead and prepare 2 boxes of mix, and you're gonna go ahead and get the bacon nice and sauteed. Now you don't want it to go to a full crisp because we're using this for a flavor profile. And then you're gonna add in your onion and your celery. Since this is halfway cooked, you're gonna continue to cook it down with the vegetables, and that's gonna add nice flavoring to all the vegetables and give it a great umami. All the measurements for the recipe are in the description box down below. And make sure while you're down there hitting like and subscribe so you get more content delivered to you every week. Okay, and now that we've gotten that mixed together, we're gonna add in, and take, of course, that bacon off the thing because that's crazy. We're gonna add in a little water because I want this to steam a little bit to get those, especially the celery, since it's a tougher vegetable, nice and softened. And now that I've gotten a little color on the vegetables, gotten everything a little bit more like the onions translucent, we're going to go ahead and get the other ingredients ready and prepared. So we're finishing getting that cooked down, and we're going to move on to the cornbread, which is now out of the oven and has been cooled for a little bit, but it's still warm. I really want it to still be warm. But you see how golden and flaky and delicious that is? We're going to go ahead and get all that in the pan. And remember, this is double the batch. If you're using like a brand like Jiffy, follow the box, get 2 boxes, follow the instructions. If you have your own cornbread recipe, that's great. If you need one, there's also one linked in the comments below that I think is a really great one. We're going to go ahead and add parsley in. And normally I add sage in, but I wanted to add in an Italian seasoning because I think it gives it a great round flavor. If you don't have Italian seasoning, just use sage. And then, of course, we're going to be using black pepper and seasoning salt for the remainder of this. Okay, now it's time to add in our bacon, our onion, and our celery right to the mix, and that looks beautiful. And one of our last ingredients is chicken stock. So I end up using about half of this carton, but what you want to do is have your chicken stock amount and add it in by thirds, because you're going for a texture and consistency versus being an accurate measurement, if that makes any sense. So you want it to be almost like you're making a sandcastle with your cornbread. So you want it to still be crumbly but hold integrity. So like that, like you're able to build it and put it into a mold. So now we're gonna have a buttered dish. I like to butter my pans and put tinfoil. It makes easy cleanup, and we're gonna go ahead and put that inside. You're gonna bake that at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. What you just want is, it's almost cooked. You want it to be nice and golden like this. And I used it with my Christmas dinner. It was phenomenal. And of course, put some extra gravy on it if you want. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.